2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, backup camera, adaptive cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.